Hi, how's it going? My name's John, and the book we're talking about today, oh look, soup. No. Crushed tomatoes. Tomatillos. Can you see that? I guess you can. Hi, I'm John, and I want to talk to you today. Look, tomatoes, right? Ha, it's holding it up, and hey, it's a cookbook. It's called an Adirondack Guides Cookbook. Now, this is by John Gibbons. You can find it on Amazon. It's been improved, and what the new book has is canoe camp cooking in it. This is an older edition. And if you want to pick it up, great price, go right to Amazon or come to the Aesop's Acres website. So that's Aesop's Acres, right? Okay, Aesop's Acres website. In this book, you will find a lot of really cool camp cooking ideas. Now, I got to tell you something, folks. This is not backpack cooking, all right? This is, who's been to hunting camp here? Who's been to a stay-in-place camp? Who has an RV? Who has full access to a very small, be it, kind of kitchen with, maybe a small refrigerator, an ice chest? That'll work for this. Maybe you have also a stove of some kind that's a propane stove. That'll work for this. You got a wood stove. That'll work for this. Later on, we're going to show you how to do Dutch oven cooking. That's coming out next. And, I'm going to give you a heads up. There's this guy named Stan Rockbottom. Okay, he's been in contact, and he's got a new cookbook coming out, so be looking for it. It is Stan Rockbottom's Rock Bottom Cooking. And this is cool. This is pantry cooking. It's really, really, really off-grid. It's really a tiny house movement, right? Okay. But anyway, let's get back to this book, an Adirondack Guides Cookbook. This was the first in the series that really launched the whole Aesop's project. I got to tell you, it was under another title, another name. Well, it wasn't under another title. It was actually under another publishing company originally. But the bottom line is this. This particular book has a lot of pictures of the area. They're black and white, okay? Old-timey kind of stuff. And look, you'll enjoy everything in there. This is for comfort, okay? This is for camp cooking comfort. If you want to outdo your friends at camp, then this is the book for you. If you want to use these at home, this is the book for you. This is a nostalgic guide through the Adirondacks as well as even some of the Lake Champlain area. All right, and I got to tell you that this book is been on the market now for, wow, well over 10 years. I mean, it's done very well. And I got to tell you that if you have not got a copy, you should get one. So anyway, this is an Adirondack Guides Cookbook, and I'm John, so you have a great day.